So over the last 9 years, about 8,000 students and counting, 12% of them said their biggest struggle when starting a marketing agency was getting past the whole branding side of it. Like, what should they name it? What should their logo look like? What should their website be? And I thought that was pretty crazy. So I decided to build an agent that will do it all for you. So because of that, I'm going to actually walk into my office over here and unequivocally tell you that I'm actually going to start one from scratch myself, so I can actually walk you through the entire process. So this is the new name, Visible Marketing Solutions. Let me just jump into my office really quick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this brand new agent that I built, and I built a bunch of them for people to use, all within one dashboard. You don't need to learn Claude code. You don't need to watch YouTube videos until you're blue in the face, and you can actually start making money because the agents will do 90% of the work for you. Originally built it for myself, but let me jump on my computer really quick and let me show you how this brand, I call him Sully, the setup specialist, how Sully is going to help me build my brand kit. It's going to give me everything that I need for my own brand so I can jump over that in 5 minutes and stop wasting valuable time and money trying to figure out what the heck I should do for my brand. Because what happens is that if you can't get past the branding of your business, how in the world are you going to get to everything else? So let's start with Sully, our setup specialist, which should be your number one pillar that you tackle first. And we could do it in less than 5 minutes. Let's jump on.
All right, so what you see on this screen is currently 8 basically live agents that will help you in your agency journey. Agents that will guide you every step of the way from A to Z, from not even knowing what a marketing agency is to building a 4, 5, 6-figure agency, right? And this is all based on tens of thousands of hours of trainings that we have, surveying, gathering data, results from our students and learning from some of the things that they've done. So this is a very large project, and why it's taken me so long. But I can unequivocally tell you this will help most people, if not every single one, whether you're just starting, you're in the middle of it, you have 3 clients, or you have 10 or 20 clients, okay? And you'll see a little bit down the road. But today what I'll show you is what Sully, the setup specialist here is. As you can see, it's at the top because it's your agency setup, right? When you're first starting. And maybe some of you are running your agency and you haven't even picked a name. You have no brand colors, you have no logos, you have nothing. And what that tells me is that when you have nothing or you haven't taken the time to do that, it's that you haven't taken this business seriously. Back in the day when you used to be able to just kind of do anything online and get results, and maybe some of you have never felt that before, but it's true. Nowadays, with all the noise, you think you're the only one feeling the noise? No, business owners feel the noise. You feel the noise, agency owners feel the noise, affiliate marketers, everybody feels the noise. And so how do you stand out from the rest? In addition to, how do you utilize tools like AI and agents to get you way ahead of everyone else? Because not everybody can or knows how to build agents and do it for themselves. Never mind doing it and not even knowing why they're doing it. Okay, so here's a perfect example of how AI can help you build your brand right off the bat in 5 minutes or less, okay? So Sully is going to be able to help you pick a name, build your brand kit. It's going to help you build your agency website, give you the setup checklist for setting up an agency from A to Z, give you your own pricing calculator that you could change down the road if you want, help you generate contracts for reputation management, for any digital projects, SEO, whatever you might do. The prompts are built into this dashboard. So if you want to just create a contract for SEO, you literally just choose SEO and it'll write you out a full-blown contract based on teachings that we've had in uploading. I don't even know how many contracts I uploaded over here. So basically what you're going to get what you need, essentially. You don't got to search for it. You don't got to Google it. You don't got to go to ChatGPT. You're running off of 12 years of my APIs, basically, okay? If you have access to this, you don't have to pay for ChatGPT, Claude, learn Claude Code. And I say that over and over again because what a lot of people don't realize is that when you do build an agent to run, you're going to be paying for that, but not if you have this. So first, let's just start with something simple. Let's go agency name. And my profile has my agent, my partnership agency in here, okay? So I'm going to just basically override that. So I'm going to be serving small businesses, okay? I'm not going to have a specific niche. Basically, that's what this industry is. Like if I was serving just roofing contractors and I've solidified that and that's what I want to do, I could probably have a marketing agency name geared toward roofers, if that makes sense, okay? So I'll say small businesses, 10 million and below. Now, what vibe are we going for? We could do professional, bold, and modern, okay? Do we want to include or avoid any words? I'm going to say no, okay? And then do I want my name in it, like James? No, I'm not going to want my name in it, okay? So I'll generate some names and see what it pulls up. All right, so first shot, right, it gave me some agency name ideas: Mainland Local Partners, Solid Ground Marketing, Benchmark Local Studio, Honest Work Digital, Broadside Marketing Group, Anchor Street Creative, Proven Ground Agency, Front Door Digital CO. Okay, actually, some of them are good, some of them are not. But the cool thing is it actually will tell you if the direct website URL, the .com of it is available. You know, .ai, .nets might be available for like this one, Solid Ground Marketing. But I like Honest Work Digital, Broadside Marketing Group. I like them all. Proven Ground Agency. And then you could regenerate if you want, if you don't like any of them. But let's do Honest Work Digital. I'm going to pick this name. So lock it in. I'm going to confirm the name. Okay. So I now have Honest Work Digital. Is now my agency name. I'm going to create the brand kit. So I'm going to put the agency name here. Do you have a logo? I'll say no, I need one. Do you serve a specific industry? No, general. So I'm just going to put here small businesses. Ideal client, again, is just small businesses. A little bit of redundancy here. Tone, let's do bold and confident and, I don't know, clean and corporate. And then let's generate our brand kit. And what that will do is, and again, nothing crazy, right? I'm not like, getting a $10,000 branding deal here, right? The most important part of this is not getting stuck on this and getting this done in 5 minutes and moving on to the next part of your agency. Now, yes, can you go to ChatGPT and do this? Sure, you can. You can go through the steps, but what you're going to do is once you get to, finish certain things, then you're going to go to YouTube and be like, all right, now what do I do now? Well, maybe you got to register the name in your state. Are you gonna be a sole proprietorship, an LLC? What are you gonna be? Are you gonna take this seriously or are you not? Maybe you don't go the whole LLC route until you land a client. And so that, those things are up to you, but this will walk you through all those steps. All right, so positioning statement: Honest Work Digital helps small businesses cut through the noise with straightforward digital marketing that actually drives growth. We deliver transparent strategy. Okay, I'm not gonna read all this. Target audience, who they are, what their pain point is, and what do they want. Right? A pipeline of customers they can count on, right? Brand voice, power phrases we have here, what words to avoid. Here's our color palette. And then down here is we have some choices of our logos, right? We could do the Cornerstone logo, the Upward Signal logo, and the handshake mark. I like this one. This is the one that I like. This is the one that I would go with. And we're done. You might like this one. If you don't like them, you can regenerate them, I think, 1 or 2 more times. Because again, every time you do this, it's pinging the API. Ching, 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 ching. Again, my API. Then we give you a brand launch checklist. You could set up your Google Business, your Google Workspace email. I'm going to have a agent help you with that. Register your agency domain name, create your agency LinkedIn company page, set up a Facebook business page, build your agency website using Lovable or GoHighLevel, upload your full color palette because I have my color palette right here. All right. Next steps, we want to get the domain, get your brand colors in there, get post your 3 logos. Now, if you don't like these logos, we could take this brief and go over to logo and have somebody from Fiverr do it for $5 to $10. But now you don't gotta, here's my color palette. It knows the accents and everything, the typography, the boldness of it and things like that. And it's just like the prompt, you can hand it off, okay? The whole point of this is these agents are supposed to do most of the work for you, so you can continue to move forward and not get stuck. I've seen it too many times, and I'm here to freaking solve it. All right. So now I could download my PDF. All right. Here's my brand kit, just so I have it. All right. So Honest Work Digital, nothing crazy, but now I have a nice PDF of my brand kit. If I need, if I get huge and I got to wrap my car, right now I have, the colors and the palettes and the logos and everything that you need for it. And then this is just like a checklist that you could print out and check off as you go through the beginning phases of starting your agency. All right. Now, the cool thing is that you can go back here and I can go into my library, and you can see I've run a few of these, right? Visible Marketing, Honest Work Digital, HVAC Business, VC. So I've created, some test brand kits. This is the most recent one. I could download my logos, everything from my library, all right? The system will allow you to do it, I think, 3 times. And so you could get, a bunch of logos and things like that. So now let me go over that's the agency namer, and then our brand kit. Again, we did that already. So as you can see on the left side here, again, this hasn't been launched, but if you are interested in something like this, where you could have Callie, your coach, 24/7, Paul's going to help you prospect, Mary's going to give you your mock-ups for your AI websites, Clay's going to help you close deals, close trials, Ava is going to connect your GoHighLevel account to this MCP. I'll show this off in the future. Bob is going to build your AI websites, actual AI websites with the Google Business API. You don't have to connect anything, no tech needed at all. You could do it in Lovable. You could do it in GoHighLevel, the AI site builder. Paula is going to help you run paid ads. I don't want to show off Paula yet. I love Paula. She's the best. And then, of course, we have our full-blown training and our dashboard to remind you what is your actual why, to help you keep going and going through. Entrepreneurship is a roller coaster. You need to always be reminded why you want to do this. All right, guys, if you like this stuff and you want to be notified when I'm going to release this, give me a heck yeah, hell yeah, I want this, I could use this, this looks amazing down below. And I'll respond, not yet, but over the next couple weeks, I will respond directly to that comment, and you need to make sure your notifications are on so you know when I respond. This is going to be a quick one. This is going to be, hey, I'm doing this in 3 to 5 days, and then I'm going to close it down because I want beta users in here first, get feedback, and then when I make this thing even better, the price obviously is going to go up. So cheapest price will be for those who respond down below. All right, guys, I appreciate your time. Hope you're excited about this as I am.